back up a little bit.
Now imagine this, but on planets where it like rains glass and stuff.
Yeah, you'd be in trouble with raining glass. I got wet. Yeah, that's rain, boy.
I got out of the bath 50 times.
You hear that thunder just non-stop.
It's just like,
Just roar, just rumble.
it's like,
Yeah. This is insanity.
Yeah, the atmosphere is just crazy.
Plates are like, celebrate.
Cameron, back up a little bit.
oh.
I'm
heard a
outta here,
crap.
dude.
I heard a crap.
Cameron, please come over here.
Okay, I'm coming.
I heard a
Hurricane. Hurricane Sally. We're in a hurricane.
No, we're not.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Boom. Boom, boom.
There's an ant. How is there an ant?
Blew out of the tree. I'm telling you.
Oh! I think that would just hurt to go out there.
All kinds of critters up in the trees, man.
Yeah, babies outside are R.I.P. She won't die.
She wouldn't die. She just, I hope she's got her shampoo.
Oh gosh,
Orange.
it's getting heavy.
That thunder is amazing,
It's
isn't it?
just, yeah, it's like, oh, there's an ant on me.
Dude, where are they all coming from, man?
I think a tick might have been on me, but I flicked it off.
Yeah, they are everywhere. Look at them all.
Yeah, I know.
I just got
And I was
big in the-
wondering why I was getting all itchy.
Your mom is freaking out. That can't stop you.
Yeah. He'd be like,
Oh, look at that guy.
He's on my phone!
what's on your hat?
What is he?
Sorry guys, I had to smack my phone because a bug was on it. Oh, is the storm past?
Giving us
Yeah.
the final frozen
That
thunder.
thunder is just rocking.
Woo!